Hello viewers, today we are showing a Sashiko design tutorial and we all know how much popular Sashiko design is. We can use Sashiko design in cushion, dress, bedsheet, bed cover, katha and many other things. So let's see the full procedure of the design. Okay, see, here I am drawing some straight lines taking 1 centimeter distance. And drawing some another straight lines white taking 1 centimeter distance again. So you can see here we found some little squares which we will use for the design actually. Now here you can see we are drawing some straight lines horizontally and vertically which look like a plus sign. I am telling again. Here you can see we are drawing some straight lines horizontally and vertically which looks like a plus sign. Here we are using 2 squares for every straight line and dropping another 2 squares. After then taking another 2 squares for drawing the line, for drawing the plus sign. Now we will take some straight lines vertically. We are using those squares which we dropped in last time. So now see how I am drawing. I think it's pretty clear. And now we will join the both sides of the line, and you are watching clearly, I think. So, and I think it's pretty clear to understand what I am doing. So follow me carefully. Now in widthwise, we will do the same thing we did in lengthwise, I mean last time. And I think you will be able to understand rigorously if you follow the following carefully. I mean follow the rule carefully. So let's see. So guys, this is the Sashiko design we wanted to draw. Now following the rule, you can design your dress, cushion, bedsheet or your baby's dress also. And many other things you want to make. So if you like our video, please hit the like button and let us know your comment about our video. And don't forget to subscribe us for more design.